Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Pubg and going straight to Settings, then Account. Once there, choose the Phone or Bind Phone option, pick your country code, and enter an active mobile number you control. After you tap Send Code, the game will trigger an SMS with a one-time code. Do this now, don't switch apps. While you wait, make sure your device has cellular signal and you aren't blocking messages, otherwise the code won't arrive and you'll have to restart this step. Once you get the SMS, immediately input the 4 to 6-digit code into Pubg verification box. Accuracy matters. After you submit, the game will confirm the bind and may prompt you to re-enter your password or authenticate a linked account. If the code expires, tap Resend and wait the required interval. Repeated rapid requests can lock messaging. Also, make sure you're not on a VPN or on the wrong SIM. Those often prevent carrier delivery, so switch to the correct network before retrying. After successful verification, Pubg shows the phone as bound. Next, log out and log back in to confirm persistence. If you started from a guest account, convert to a permanent account before binding, because some guest profiles cannot bind directly. Follow on-screen prompts to link email or social first. Finally, if the SMS never arrives, check Carrier Do Not Disturb, disable message filters, and then contact Pubg support with your UID and screenshot. This troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.